Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Motoring video. In this video, you join us here in the middle of Wyoming in the Grand Tetons. It's currently below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. We have our Winnebago Revel, our overlanding sprinter. And well, it's not an EV road trip this video, but what we wanted to do was at least talk about some of the trips we're going to do next year. Everything permitting, travel restrictions, etc. with viruses going around. But we wanted to let you know our plans. We wanted to hear what you want on this channel here on Out of Spec Motoring. So let's get into a quick, 8-10 minute conversation about electric cars, travel, and maybe even a little bit of electric cars in the winter tips, because we saw a Tesla run out of charge today on the side of the road.
Yeah. So today we have Blue and Ellie here, and this big guy that's jumping on me, he's Teddy. He's a 10-month-old Newfoundland who is going to his forever home this week.
Another dog rescue series, perhaps?
No, they live like an hour away from us, so I don't really...
Not a road trip video.
Not a road trip video, but we might have something else coming pretty soon. I mean, there's dogs all over that need help, so...
Well, let's explain that. So you rescue dogs.
Yeah, so I work with a great rescue called Big Dogs, Huge Paws, and I've worked with other rescues in the past as well. And just trying to dive deeper into the rescue lifestyle, especially coming into 2022. And Kyle is obviously busy all the time, as we know. And
Except for the last week, it's been nice.
Yeah, but now it's finally all dying down. So I thought that possibly starting a channel, we've already done one video, so go ahead and check it out if you haven't already, where I transport dogs to their forever home or to their foster home, which is something that helps rescues massively. If you ever can't foster a dog or anything like that, transport, or even just taking a foster dog when they're currently falling down the hill right now.
In really deep snow.
But
actually, there's a friend of yours has a friend who has a Tesla Model Y who's rescuing dogs and transporting them in the Tesla, right?
I'm not sure if they're rescuing. I think it's more of just like a transport paid service type thing.
Oh, okay.
But I do know that their proceeds go towards rescue dogs, which is pretty awesome. So I haven't really looked quite into it, but it seems pretty awesome. They're out on the East Coast, out in New Hampshire. So, yeah.
We should reach out to them.
Yeah, we probably will within, the new year. Just push everything off to the new year. Hey guys, today's video is brought to you by Athletic Greens, which is something that I've completely fallen in love with, something that I've been added to my daily routine. It's complete with a bunch of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, so let me teach you just a little bit more about it. Athletic Greens is a comprehensive all-in-one greens powder engineered to support your body's nutritional needs, improves your gut health, your immune support, and packed with 75 vitamins and minerals. With the link athleticgreens.com/outofspecmotoring, you'll receive 5 free travel packs and a vitamin D supplement, which is just 1 drop that you add to your water or any drink, and it has no taste at all with your first purchase. In my daily routine, it's been super easy, and that's why I've really been able to catch on to it, which is actually something that's very hard for me. All you literally need is this really handy scoop, and you do 1 scoop inside 8 to 12 ounces of water, which I have right there, and you plop it in. Put the lid on, give it a nice good shake for about 10-20 seconds, and then you twist it off. And it really actually tastes good. Big thanks to Athletic Greens again for sponsoring this video today. Go to the link down below, athleticgreens.com/outofspecmotoring, for your first purchase to get 5 comprehensive daily packs and this awesome thing to add to your water as well.
So yeah, that's one part of the videos you're going to see here on Out of Spec Motoring. I mean, yeah, I wish, can we flip the camera around so you can see Ellie stuck on the hill? This is great. This is very impromptu. All right, here now you can see all the dogs. Ellie, come on, love. Let's see. Can she come over?
I don't know. Come on, Ellie.
There we go. This is great. We just start driving up. There's feet of snow up here in Wyoming. We actually got stuck in Laramie, Wyoming last night because they shut the roads down. And we wanted to do this quick impromptu video. So here's the deal. Out of Spec Motoring's been our first YouTube channel. You guys know that, you know, this is how we started in the YouTube world, if you will. And it was a passion project, and I never want this channel to not be our passion project. This is the channel where Alyssa and I and the dogs get to, I say, have the best connection with you. Of course, now we're up to 10 YouTube channels in total, and it's a full-on, you know, full business for us at this point. However, motoring, this channel, this is always our baby. I don't think you'll really see anyone else presenting too much on this channel or anything like that. This is just our adventures.
OG channel, so only we really get to present, and then maybe our family members and stuff like that. So it'll definitely
close friends, family.
Yeah, it'll stay within the family. Nobody random.
This doesn't need to feel like a business to us. Motoring can be fun.
No.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, we still test a lot of cars, you know, day to day. And so hopefully we'll be able to bring more electric car road trips in new electric cars. The one I'm most looking forward to, is she really stuck?
She's really stuck.
All right, hold on.
Bring the camera over here and let them watch
The one I'm most looking forward to is a Lucid road trip here in the near future. Hopefully we can arrange a car, perhaps go across the country if you guys know what I mean. Perhaps not, we'll see. Ellie, come on, can you get unstuck, love?
Come on, Ellie, look. Come on.
Come on, Elbel.
Okay.
I think she needs some help.
She really is just like laying
She is
on
so
top of you.
pathetic.
Come on.
Come on, Ellie. You can do it. Blue, get out of the way. So yeah, Lucid road trip we're talking about, that's just going to be a blast. I'm really looking forward to seeing how that charging curve plays out. We've seen 300 kilowatt peak in Tom Malogany's charging test. How's that going to translate to charge after charge after charge? Can the thermal systems keep up? Can it handle that high charging rate? Is it actually going to be that efficient at highway speeds? No one's tested these things yet, so I'm really looking forward to that kind of stuff. Rivian's another big one, although we started a new channel where we're going to feature a lot of our van videos called Out of Spec Overlanding. I want to take a Rivian to Alaska.
I would just love to kind of own one, personally.
Yeah, so we're thinking about buying some cars this year, perhaps Rivian, perhaps an e-tron. We really don't know, but we definitely need a bigger all-around car. The Tesla Model 3 is about to have a giant 100,000 mile ownership update. It just hit 100,000 miles and then it broke.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that. It's like a parking brake issue. It's not a big deal, but it's definitely showing a little bit of age. I think one service visit and she'll be back to brand new. That'll be on Out of Spec Reviews. But what do you guys think? What car should we go for? I was thinking a plug-in hybrid because, why are you handing me this?
I'm gonna go find it.
Okay. I was thinking a plug-in hybrid because, well, at the end of the day, it sort of fits our lifestyle needs pretty well, especially, you know, up here in Wyoming, you couldn't get up here with an electric car very easily, at least on the route we took in our Sprinter, so that would be interesting. But I think we've pretty much committed to full electric driving every day, so you'll see new cars on the channel. SUV electric is what we're in the market for. Perhaps Model X, perhaps not, I don't really know. And then road trips. You guys let us know where you want us to go. I'm thinking 3 different continents. I want to do North America again. We've gone across the US so many times. I feel like, well, we've kind of done enough of that. Let's just flip the camera around, see what else is going on here in the beautiful mountains. We've done cross country many times. There's Teddy laying in the snow over there. And then, of course, we're going to do another Euro series. We finished up our Euro series here on this channel a few weeks ago where we took the Taycan all around Europe. It was really cool. We also had the ID3. That was a blast. I want to do Europe again very soon, actually, assuming we can get over there. Want to do the UK. Hey, Teddy. Want to do the UK. And China is really top of my list. How about yours?
It's been for like the past year, and with everything going on.
I want to take a road trip around China in an electric car. I want to try the NIO battery swap stations. I want to try their government-sponsored infrastructure. I want to try the free market infrastructure, if there is such a thing in China. But, you know, there's so many new experiences I want to have and bring to you on this channel by way of adventure with electric vehicles. So that's what's to come. We've spoken about some of the cars, Rivian R1S, e-tron. I like an R1T.
Yeah, he wants, I don't know, he's masculine, wants a big truck, you know.
I'm a truck guy. But if I want a truck, I want like an F350 diesel.
Yeah. Oh, blue looks cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think we're definitely we're in the market to get, I don't know if you've explained this.
Just explain car
Oh,
coming.
yeah, a new car coming. It's mainly for my needs and for traveling with the dogs and stuff. And I mean,
I might have a car that I'm ordering soon too.
Right. So like
it's gonna be a big year. You got to watch a lot of videos.
Yes, please do. So my main concern as of lately is just really safety with the dogs, especially transporting multiples and not knowing quite what I get. It would be nice to have kind of a roll cage or a crate inside, probably a roll cage with as big as dogs these are. You can't really find a XL crate that will fit them. So we're looking for a car that would fit that, and that is not the Model 3.
Right. Well, and maybe Model Y would be big enough, but with the sloping back, I don't know. There's lots of options. So we're certainly very pro Tesla still. I mean, look, at the end of the day, I think a lot of people think we're anti-Tesla. I'm not. I love Tesla. It started our channel. I haven't not owned a Tesla in a very long time.
They're great. They're easy. They work well. It's just
trustworthy. It's just not exciting anymore, though.
No, it's not. And even for me, like if I'm bored with a car, then why are you limping?
Oh, poor Ellie.
Then you definitely know something's up. So
yeah. So to summarize, we have the dog road trip rescue series that we're going to be leaning heavily into the first part of this year, where you and your friends and maybe I have time to join will go as well in different cars. Then we will have a new car coming to the channel. I imagine more than one sometime throughout 2022. Let us know what you think we should get. I think everyone knows I'm in the Taycan category. For myself as my own personal vehicle to replace the Model 3.
Yeah.
And then, road trip internationally once hopefully things die down with viruses and sicknesses. We can hit the road, hit some planes, and go get some electric cars in different parts of the world. Really loved our Euro road trip series. It was such an eye-opening experience seeing how different countries and cultures view electric cars. And well, at the end of the day, it's going to be a little confusing because we're producing so much content across a lot of channels, of course. But I think my methodology, you guys tell me if I'm crazy, is, people will find the content they want to watch. For example, electric car road trips will be on this channel, and that's what they can watch. So, dogs are running away. What's the name of the green company you love so much that sponsored today's video?
Athletic Greens.
Athletic Greens. Thanks to those guys. That was all you and Lexi, but
yeah, no, I honestly really enjoy that stuff. I have it every
she's got
morning.
It in the van with her.
Yeah, I brought it with me because it's so easy to travel with, and it just makes me feel good, and it definitely helps with a lot of things, especially gut health, which is nice, especially because we eat so much junk food, and kind of offsets that.
Glad you finished that. I didn't mean to interrupt you. I always interrupt you.
You usually do.
I'm sorry. It's just because my head goes somewhere else. I really apologize.
We just lost a noof over the hill.
Yeah. Teddy, come on. I wanted to mention, now I forgot what I was going to say.
I don't know, but it's starting to snow pretty heavily.
Snowing pretty heavily. Doesn't really matter. Sorry for this impromptu video. Oh, I know what I was going to say. This week's video was supposed to be our end of year special, which is we took 2 electric motorcycles across the state of Montana with no charging infrastructure. We did this months ago. It was crazy, crazy adventure, camping for about a week, about 1,200 miles of riding with again, no chargers. It was a blast, really cool. I just haven't gotten to editing it yet because I need to edit that because all the footage is out of sync.
Yeah.
And I was the only one there to know how to do that.
Right, and it's really random, and
it's going to be a disaster to edit, but that will come soon because I really want to share that with you guys. Yeah. Anyway, long enough video. We're here in the mountains in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, in the Grand Tetons with the Sprinter, filming some videos for Out of Spec Overlanding. It's, 8 degrees outside. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Woo! Yeah, good boy.